Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F4. In this video we'll check if this phone has SD card slot. In order to check it, we'll have to take the case out and now eject this SIM card tray. So let me do it right now. And as you can see, this phone does not have SD card slot. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.